Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faisal Ahmed Apon. You are watching Faisal Ahmed Apon YouTube channel, news portal or website diagrams. So here is the diagram model and fields list. Okay, so we today we will learn how to make model and migration and migrate the database. Okay. So here is the model name is a category, subcategory, tag, contact, and here is the field name and type also here. So we will make one by one. Okay, first category, then subcategory, then tag. So also here is a user already have name, email, and password. So we'll check here is the user name, email, and also password. So now what we need? We need a category. Okay, here is the name of category. I hope you are uh, watching good and okay. So if we want to make model by command line, you should write here PSP artisan make model. That's model name is category, and also we need migration file. Okay, that's mean here is the model. Here is the model, and also we need by one command and user. That's mean here is the okay, but if you type m, then you will get the model. Okay, migration file. Just was and follow here. Okay, follow here. Just paste and okay. Here is the category and here is the category. It's a migration file. Like also okay. Okay, then what you need? Then subcategory. Here is the subcategory. So also same will be here. Subcategory. Okay. Here is the also subcategory. Done. And tag. Also tag. That's mean tag. Very good. Now what we will just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now we need contact. No, that's will be post model. Also I'm making post model. Okay, very good. Now we need to comment post tag. Okay, first post tag. That's mean okay. Post tag. Okay, post tag, and then comment. COMMANT. Okay, comment. Okay, done. Now what? News. Okay, advertisement is also good. Next, newsletter. Okay, also here contact. Okay, model name is contact. Very good. Our all field is ready. All model and migration field is ready, but our table field not okay. Okay, so here is I'll follow. So what you need first? Here's category, right? So table name will be what? Name, and also will be slug. Okay, and will be status. So here is the status. Status will be boolean, and default will be true or 0, what's you want. Okay, here is also, that's mean status will be boolean, it is true. True means 1. Okay, true. Okay, now subcategory. Okay, subcategory also field list. Okay, the same, I'm copying this one, and here is the also name slug status, and will be here what relationship right now. So what we make for relationship, foreign ID. Okay, foreign ID, that's mean foreign ID means category ID. Category ID. Now reference. On cascade delete. Okay, just try to understand. Foreign ID, category ID. Category ID means here is the category ID, this ID, and here is the okay, just focus on my keyboard. Okay, here is the name slug and status. Okay, category also fine. Now we will category and subcategory to make a relationship. That's mean foreign ID means come from category ID, and here is the category ID, and reference on ID, which one, this one. Okay, this one is ID, and on table, on that's mean table is a category, and on delete means which one means cascade. That's mean when category when category is delete or deleting, also will delete this subcategory. That's mean it's, I hope you understand. And then tags, here is the tags name and slug, and also I'm copying this one, and here is the name and slug, and status also is okay. And post. Okay, here is the post means first which one we need meta title, right? Meta title, then meta keyword, right? Meta keyword is always also string, that's mean varchar. Okay, varchar. And meta description, it's always long text, short text. Okay, long text. Okay, long text, long text. Okay, that's mean keyword and description. Okay, description and title. Now I'm making varchar title, not string title. Okay, title slug image. Okay, title slug image, then description. Description also will be long text. Then category ID, subcategory ID, writer ID, views, comments, and no need here comments. Okay, uh, views of it. Okay. Now here is the description. Then category ID, which one? That's mean is this category ID. Category ID. Next, subcategory ID. Sorry. Subcategory ID, reference on subcategory ID, SUB subcategories, and writer ID means user ID. User ID, of course, will be users, and views. This mean is it will be integer. Of course, it will be integer. Integer will be views. Views and comments noted, and it will be status. Also, it will be status. Okay. So here is the status, and post here is also done. And now post tag. Post tag also name and flag is very easy. Post tag is done. Okay, post tag is done. Post tag, right? Post tag. I'm sorry, I forgot. Post. Okay, post tag means post tag is the post ID. Post ID. Post ID and tag ID. So post ID means postable. Post ID will come from post, and tag ID means also come from tags. Okay, and subcategories means tag ID and post ID. Here is the subcategories. Okay, it's done. Next post is okay. Comment, user ID, post ID, comment. That's mean if we copy and paste here, user ID, sorry, post ID, then user ID. Users, and here is the long text, name will be comments. Comment, COMMENT, comments, and is it published or not? This comment is published or not? So no need data. Okay, it's done. Bye. And now what's next is advertisement. Okay, image, position, page name. Okay, now post. So I'm just advertisement. Okay, I'm pasting what this was image, position, page name, and status. Okay, and Now newsletter, that's mean email and status. Just here will be email and status. Email and status active or not. Marker is very good. And email unique. Okay, email will be unique. And just last is contact. Contact mean user ID, message. Okay, first long text message, then user ID, and status not boolean, it will be enum status. Default will be pending. That's mean here is pending. Seen replied reply. Pending seen reply. That's mean when user send the message and then it's well, okay, and also not user ID. Who the reply I want to make integer support member ID. Okay, no need delete. Okay, integer which one? PHP. Okay, it's done. When user will send the message contact, it's a mean contact which user send this message, and who is support member are reply the message, and who is a position have right now this message contact message. Okay, that's mean is a pending, seen or reply. Okay, very good. So it was complete migration and seeder, and then we will migrate. I hope all is okay. So all is okay. Category, subcategory, tag, table. Okay, it's all very good and to complete. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. See you soon next video. Tada, bye bye.